IFB1 2024 8.5 years amortized bond. If that's why you click this video, you are in the right video. We are here to talk about the prospectus, breaking it down, what you need to know before you make an informed decision on whether or not this is an investment you'd like to invest in. Stay tuned and we're about to get straight into the video. So as you can see, the prospectus for government bond of Kenya Infrastructure Bond offer 8.5 years amortized bond, issue number, we've said it. So the government is looking to borrow 70 billion. This is a February 2024 bond. So let's get straight into it. What you need to know from this prospectus, key information for you. Period of sale is 24th January to 14th February. So you need to bid between that period. Make sure before on 14th, if you have your last minute crew, systems is hang, but that's on you. Value date or payment date is 19th of February. Very important date. You need to have already done your instructions by your bank by the 19th of February. The minimum amount is 50,000. Interest payment dates, which are the coupon rates when we'll get the coupons, are clearly stated there. You can see 19th 2024, 17th February 2025, and subsequently as you continue. Redemption date is 9th October 2030. So basically redemption rate is the maturity date of the bond. But this bond is a bit interesting because important information to know: taxation. The bond will be tax-free for all case of infrastructure bonds. Redemption structure is different. So 15th February 2027, 20% amortization of outstanding principal, you'll get it back. 30% on 11th February 2030, you'll get it back. And 100% final redemption you'll get back on 9th August 2032. But this is only applicable to people who will bid more than 1 million shillings. Anyone who bid less than 1 million shillings will completely get their full redemption by 3 years. I also got the same information from the prospectus and from our favorite Angion bonds. So yeah, take note. And that is actually what amortization means. Amortization means you'll not get the full redemption at once. It will be cascaded. Which means as you're also getting your money back, your interest is reducing as well because the government has given you part of your principal back. Important information to note. Another one is, of course, bid closure has a time, by the way. You need to make sure your bid instructions have gone through with your CSD account before 10 a.m. on 14 February. Valentine's, mkumbuke. Then also your results will be known by 16 February 2024 if your bid was accepted or rejected. And then payment, like I said, will need to be done by Monday, 19th February 2024. Ensure it's done on time. Trust me, I've been a victim of running around last minute to ensure this thing is done on time. Make sure you have a good relationship with your banks or your banker or your RM. Make sure this thing is done on time, especially us in the diaspora. By the way, we suffer. Tunde, we suffered. As we already have talked about it. If you're already in diaspora, you know the online portals have been blocked. I'm going to talk about that in a separate video. So you have to give instructions or ask someone, maybe if you share a joint account with them in Kenya, if they can do it for you. Those are the only ways. Otherwise, you have to instruct your bank directly and they have to be willing to accept the instructions virtually. So very few banks in Kenya still do that or allow that post-COVID. So I don't know. Very difficult one, but we struggle, we survive, we make it happen. So yeah, those are very important. Basic summary, the key information you need to know. Minimum amount 50,000. If you bid less than a million, the bond is only valid for 3 years. If you bid more than 1 million, that's when the amortization continues up to the 2032 period. So it's actually 8.5 for people who bid more than a million. The dates for payments, the dates for bids, very important. Bid must be done before 14th, 10 a.m. Payment must be done before 19th. Sometimes they say by noon, but yeah. Minimum amount 50,000, I repeat. Coupon rates will be given as per the schedule shared on the prospectus, as you can see. And the most important, IFBs are tax-free. So in case you have any further questions, please comment down below. If anything was not clear or misconstrued, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I do have a Telegram group where we discuss a lot of this information directly there. All my social media platforms are available for you to follow. Like, follow, subscribe, and if this is content you will love or continue to love watching from me, since I do personal finance, budgeting, everything money, please like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.